I'll win again. Dang it, man. How do you do that every time? Ended up with the rules card. How do you even do that? Just good, I guess. Man, my wife's gonna kill me. I lost all her rent money and everything in that. Tell you what, you wanna win your money back? I got a bet for you. Fine, I'll do anything, man. Just gotta let me win some of my money back. Bet if I strike a match, you can't blow it out. You can't blow out a match if you strike it. That's a stupid bet. Of course I'll take that bet. If you win, I'll give you all your money back. If you lose, you gotta go to Walmart dressed like a girl. I'll take that bet. You're on. Yeah, I'll get my money back. Woo! All right. Wait. What the hell is that? It's a match. The bet was, if I strike a match, you can't blow it out. Give it a try. I'll go get changed. Make sure you put on a dress and thong and boots. Do love girl in thong and boots. Damn. Ooh. What's going on, everybody? Today we're gonna do something a little different. I've actually been carrying these UCO matches for a while, and I really like them. For those of you who don't know what a stormproof match is, it looks like this. Well, if I can get it to focus. Anyway, it's a really big match, and when you strike it, it burns for a long time. So you get fires going in really windy conditions and rain and everything else. Like I said, I've had this in my bag for a while. Then I found something else. Zippo makes matches, and they claim that they are windproof, waterproof, and everything else. Same as what UCO says. So today we're going to open this up and we're going to see big ass box for nothing. There's nothing else in that box. So what I like about this, the striker is hidden on the bottom under the little rubber piece. With the UCOs, it's on the side right there. So if your case gets wet, the little striker doesn't really work anymore. So we're going to test them out. I actually bought a brand new UCO set. So we're going to try Zippos versus UCO. See which one's better. Okay. So first off, as far as price goes, the Zippo runs you about 20 bucks. You get 15 matches in here. The UCO, paid $14 for it. You get 12 matches in here. So right off the bat, you get 3 more matches in here, but it's a $6 difference. Don't know if it's worth it or not, but we're gonna find out. Ordered both of them off Amazon. The Zippos actually came in 6 days earlier than the UCO did. So That's a point for Zippos so far. I really want to see how they perform. I have used the UCOs several times, so we're going to find out how they work. Alright, so first test is going to be wind. They both claim to be windproof, so what we're going to do is we're going to kick the fan on, see how well they do in wind. Not bad. Stayed lit. Now for the UCO. It burned a lot faster in the wind. That actually only took a few seconds for the wind to blow that out and burn it all the way down. So I'm going to say in the wind test, Zippo definitely the winner. Alright, now for the water test. We're going to see which one does better when you dip it in water. Struggling a little bit. But it is staying lit. Alright. So in rain, it would definitely stay lit. Alright. That was Zippo. Now, UCO. About the same between the two of them. Not really much of a difference. So let's see which one burns longer. So again, we'll start off with Zippo. All in all, about 34 seconds. It's not bad. Now for the UCO. UCO you get 24 seconds. So the Zippos actually burn for 10 seconds longer than the UCOs. So in a very windy situation or a rainy situation, that extra 10 seconds could count for a lot. Now, they both did good in wind, they both did good in water. Okay, cool. But I've never been in a storm where there was just wind or just water. So my question is, how well will they work in wind and water if you put them both together? So that's what we're going to try now. We're going to start off with the Zippo first. Not bad. Now for the UCO. Once again, the wind really makes that UCO burn really fast. I'm gonna have to say Zippo won on this one. Now, last test. This test, I have a specially designed cinder block. We're gonna take both of the cases with the matches in them, and we're gonna stick them in the water, put the cinder block on them, let them soak for about an hour. We're going to see which one holds up better to being submerged in water. So there you go. They're both in there, both held under the water. Come back in about an hour and see what happens. So it's been about an hour. Both cases have been in the water. See how well they do. There's a little bit of water on the gasket itself. But past that, none of the matches are wet. Pretty much looks like it kept every bit of the water out. But let's see if it'll still strike. There you go. Actually still works. Now, for the UCO. Yeah, that ain't gonna be good. Oh. Oh. UCO case actually let some water get in. Some of the matches have little drops of water on them. Well, that thing finally finished. So, some of the matches actually did have a little bit of water on them from the UCO case. I don't know if the gasket didn't hold or what. Yeah. exposed striker pad is not a good thing. Now UCO does come with extra striker pads, but the Zippo also comes with extra striker pads. The difference between the two, you will definitely need the new striker pad for the UCOs. When you're done with all the matches from the Zippo box, you'll probably still have an extra striker pad. So in the Submersion test, Zippo definitely wins. Final thoughts. UCO matches won out in price. They were $6 cheaper. The only other thing that they did alright in was the water test, but that was a draw. So total will give UCO 2 points in this test. Zippo won in the wind test because the UCO burned way too fast in the wind. It was a draw on the water test. They performed about the same. Wind and water, Zippo wins because the wind messed up the UCOs. Submersion test, Zippo definitely won. And burn time with 10 seconds longer, Zippo wins again. So 5 points to 2 points, I'm gonna have to say that you take your UCOs and get rid of them. For $6, for a $6 difference, the Zippos are way better, way better. The case design's better, the matches burn better and longer. Just overall, Zippo outshined UCO today. So, if you're wondering what kind of stormproof matches to buy, definitely buy the Zippos. They are worth it. That's pretty much all we got for today. Like my videos, comment if you see something that I missed or something that I did wrong. Subscribe to the channel. Every subscription helps. Past that, hope you guys have a good day. See you in the next one. Bye.